I'm going to walk you through my favorite recording app right now for my YouTube videos. I use this for me and I also use it for my clients as well. So I'll do like virtual recordings with them for them to get their YouTube videos out. Okay, so first, like, how do you actually record on this app? So you're basically just pressing the record button. And once you do that, it's going to do like a mic check and a camera check. So you can basically, if you have a webcam connected to your laptop, you can connect it through here. You can choose what microphone you're using and, you know, where the sounds are coming from. Put your name. Now, I said that I also use this for my clients as well. So like when I do that, basically I will join as like a producer. And then basically joining as a producer, only the other person will show and not you. So let me see. So yeah, my video and audio won't be recorded. I can like manage guests. I can monitor and adjust the guest levels and basically keep an eye on the person that's recording. So when I'm helping my clients record their YouTube videos virtually, this is the app that I use. But also recently I've just been using it to just record my YouTube videos like on the fly really quick without having to set up any additional cameras or anything. So we have like all the recording buttons down here. We have recording, mic, camera, speaker, reactions, raising your hand. You can actually put up a script as well. I think this is actually my client script, which is funny. I think we tried to use it. I don't think we ended up using it. But there's also the live stream button. So I have used this app to go live on YouTube twice. The comments do show up from YouTube in the live stream. You're able to also live stream to multiple places at one time. I actually came over from StreamYard. The only thing that Riverside doesn't do that StreamYard does is on StreamYard, you can add like a collaborator and you can go live on their page as well as yours. You cannot do that on Riverside, at least not on the plan that I'm on right now. But you can like invite your guests on, they just can't stream it to their channel. And then over here, you'll see like the chat features. So like if anybody makes a comment or anything, it'll show up over here. You have like your brand things that you can put, so like your logo, or you can add a background to your video, and then texts and media. So like songs and stuff to add to your live stream as well, or your video. I want to show you a few other features. So you could actually edit your videos in here as well. So you can do like a combo of recording and editing. I just did that today. As you can see, I literally been here all day trying to record videos. But basically you could either upload your file, or you can record the file and add it to the editor, or you can just add the files that you already have. So like, for example, here are all my takes. And let me just see. Like you can upload your different takes and put them together and then edit them using the text. So with that, you can also add like other stuff on top of the video. So you can also add text, you can add photos, just like a normal editor. So I actually use this editor. I think if you just want to make like really quick and fast edits, it's good. I mean, if you want to do like something more advanced, this is probably not the editor to use. But if you want to do like quick and fast edits, you know, removing long pauses, removing filler words and stuff like that, you'll basically be able to do that by using like the text editor right here. And you actually can export this to a video editor. Like you can export it to Premiere Pro, you can export it to Final Cut Pro, and then something called Pro Tools. I've never used that before. And you can export your timeline. So after you cut it up, you can basically export it to an external editor. If that's something that you want to do and you want to do like more serious edits. And I also wanted to show you guys something else. Okay. If you press your project, they also give you like a few other assets. So you're able to get like the transcript from the video. So for example, what I like to do with that is I'll put it into ChatGPT and tell it to give me like a YouTube description. You can also tell your co-creator over here to create thumbnails. I don't use this part. I don't think they're really good. But you can ask it to, you know, make Instagram captions. Basically, it's like a little AI assistant inside the video project. And it takes a minute to do it. But you can ask to do other things like create captions and descriptions for you. So like here it's generating an image. And then it's also going to come up with like a few magic clips. So basically magic clips, they are YouTube shorts, reels. You can use them for those reasons. They'll make those versions for you. And then you're also able to download the videos as well. Alright, so it generated the thumbnails. You guys can see like what I mean. It'll basically try to take a screenshot from the video and add it to your thumbnail, which is really cool. I don't know. I don't really like the way it looks, but it'll like try to make thumbnails for you. See, like here, my face is kind of like, you know, I don't know. It'll take weird, but it can do it, you know. Okay, I found another video. So if you go to Made For You, it made like a summary of the video, key takeaways. They gave you a few titles, chapters, keywords that you can use. And then it came up with like a few like magic clips as well. And then post, and it just kind of keeps going. So like it gives you a blog post and caption. So yeah, it's really like an all-in-one recording studio. I know a lot of people use this for like podcasts, but I like it specifically for like basic YouTube production. So yeah, I mean, I'll leave the link below if you want to play around with it. I just thought it was a really cool tool and I use it every day, so I wanted to share. But yeah.